Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can obtain the spooky chest and what you can get in that chest. I've only gotten it today. I haven't been grinding a lot on this game, but you can get it from the Halloween market. What's inside? Okay, so first the price is 30 candy corns. What you can get inside is the ghost bush, scarab, devil root, tom marmot, wereplant, and mummy. The mummy is the rarest, and the wereplant, I don't know how to pronounce that. I think wereplant. So let's open one and see what we get. I really have bad luck with these, but let's just open it and see what we get. Okay, we got the 2 marmot, which is not bad. But yeah, that's pretty much it really. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.